Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy. These are for your daily energies, Virgos. And for your love situation and career situation, we'll be picking one card each from this deck. So this is for your career situation, Virgos, and this is for your love energy, and one card from the Angel Oracle deck. This is the card. I'll be picking one card from this deck, guys, the Angel Guidance card. So this is the card. I'll leave it here. We will open that card at last. Virgos, let's start with the daily reading first. It's Ace of Pentacles, Six of Swords and the High Priestess. So with these cards in your situation today, you are simply enjoying success and happiness. Things are going in a very positive way. Maybe these energies may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys, and you are experiencing prosperity, abundance and security today. And whatever choices that you're making, or you may be getting some new offers or opportunities to enjoy more success and happiness and abundance in your life today. That is what I see here, guys. And maybe for some of you today, you may be on a travel. You may be traveling to a different place or a city or a state for work, or it may be you may be joining a new place of work, or it may be a holiday. So that is also what I see here, guys. So things are going in a positive way. Maybe for that new opportunity you may be traveling, and today you may see the truth in certain situations. Maybe truth about this person you are in connection with, or truth about certain choices that you have made in your career. Something is coming to your notice. So some secrets are revealed to you, and you are simply shocked, maybe for some of you, or surprised if it is something good. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. The Tower. So with this card here, I see that you are going through a transition. A strong transition is happening. So some kind of a move or a shift to a different place, unexpected events or opportunities are coming your way. So with the previous cards we saw that you are getting some new beginning. So this may again confirm that. So some new beginning may be in your career, guys. A move to a different place or a city or a state or even a country for work. Some maybe you are starting on a new business or a business collaboration, something of that sort. Unexpected offers are coming your way, guys. That is what I see with this card, guys, and also with the previous cards for your career situation. So for your love energy, let us see what is the card. Fool. I hope you can see the card here, guys. So with this card, you have that enthusiasm and confidence in this connection, and you have trust in this person, and you are willing to take that risk for this person because you have that trust, and you feel that this person is honest. And maybe sometimes the way you see this person or the way you relate to them may be impractical, because love is not logical, guys, and you are head over heels in love with this person, and you are making some immature decisions today based on that love. You are not thinking clearly with clarity. You don't know what is in their mind, or you don't have that clear understanding about this person, but still you are willing to take any risk for this person, making certain choices for them, and based on your love. So you have that trust and faith on this person, and you feel that you can do anything for them, take any risk for them without that clarity. But if it is true love, and if that person has true love, this connection may work, guys. That is also what I see here. Maybe your immaturity may work to your benefit. They may see you as a very loving, caring person who takes a great risk for them, and they may also love you. So that is what I see with this card for your love reading. Virgos, let us see what is the card for your angel guidance. Hope. Such a beautiful card here, guys, for your daily guidance. So this is a guidance for us, what we can follow every day to bring that harmony and balance in our life, guys. So every day, each and every day, we have many problems to face, and we feel hopeless, and we have a heavy heart. We don't know what we need to do today. So we feel hopeless, and we feel it is very difficult to be in this position and simply observe and do nothing about it, and we feel that it is simply impossible for us. So when other people are suffering, maybe people around us, we simply feel hopeless and helpless in that situation. We don't know what we can do. But sometimes when we can start with a small thing, small way in helping others, it may be a small gesture, a smile, or a warm word, or some attention maybe even, or spending some time and energy for that person. So when it brings that sense of purpose to them, that a sense of belonging and hope to that person with our actions, when we bring that hope in that other person, it will change their whole life, and it will help them to it will also help us to realize the purpose of our life. And when we show other people the sense of purpose and direction that we can bring, or they can bring, with small actions by helping others, we will be able to kindle that dreams and wishes in their heart of hearts, and they will be happy for it, and seeing them happy, we will also feel that happiness and joy in our life, guys. So that is what this guidance is about. So we have to have that helpful nature, we have to have that compassion and faith in ourselves to make a difference in someone's life, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.